I have a piece of, I have no clue. I got this from my uncle's farm, and yeah, I have no clue what it is. I thought it was a stringy bark, but it's, the grain work is not stringy bark. It's a eucalyptus of some sort, but I don't know if you can see it, but it's like got, it almost looks like the grain work of like not she oak, but silky oak or something like that, but it's a hell of a lot harder than silky oak. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to turn a small ball and I will fill the cracks with epoxy, which will look nice, hopefully. That's the plan for today. Let's get turning. It's out. Should be no bubbles. Hey look, magic change of shirt.
It's hot in the workshop.
There we go. This reminds me a lot of what Doug from Pohl Productions does. Go and check him out. Everyone knows Doug. I don't know Doug. Well, you don't know Doug? Go check Doug out. There's a few other makers I want you to go and check out too. Anyway, I'm going to get this up. Little bowl with resin. Blue and gold. And it is a crotch piece, so it does have some nice figure in there. Where's the figure? There it is. The wood. Silky oak. I thought it wasn't, because it was a bit harder than the other silky oaks I have turned, but I think this is a different variety of silky oak. Yes, so silky oak is the wood and resin is the rest of it. Anyway, that's today's project, my little bowl. Like I said, it reminds me very much of what Doug from Pohl Productions does, except he makes his a whole lot better, I think. I experiment, he does fantastic work in the stuff that he makes. So yeah, go and check out Doug from Pohl Productions. Another person I'd like to shout out and go and check out his channel is a very well, he's a local. His channel is From a Seed, and he does awesome things with texturing and stuff like that, so go and check him out as well. I'll leave a link in the description. And last but not least, if you've been following me on Facebook and Instagram, Miss Mae has started a YouTube channel called Mae the Maker. She has 2 videos up if you want to watch a 6-year-old make things. Go and check her out. Go and give her some awesome subscribing love. Yeah, she's really happy doing it. And it's nearly Christmas, and I'm starting to fill up my website with stuff you can purchase. I have this bowl will be up there very soon. I have some travel mugs which will be up there very soon. 16 ounce and 10 ounce, and my bottle openers. So go and check out my shop. I've moved away from Etsy to my own platform. I've loved Etsy, but it was time to move on. And that's me done for another project. I'm going to get out of this hot studio because it is faring up around the 40-42 degrees centigrade at the moment, and I'm starting to melt. So I'll see you all very soon. Stay awesome. Remember to be awesome, because you, all of you in YouTube land, are awesome. I'll see you all very soon. Bye. Look, that's the comparison with my head. So it's a big bowl.